Welcome to English in a Minute. Leaves grow on trees. You know that. But the word leaf has a few other meanings in the English language.
Turn over a new leaf.
Wow, Anna, you seem a lot happier and more awake than you usually do in the morning.
I am, because now I'm a morning person.
Since when?
Jonathan, I've turned over a new leaf. I wake up early, I run, I read the entire newspaper, all before 7.
Wow.
To turn over a new leaf is about new beginnings. It means to change your behavior or lifestyle in a positive way. In this expression, leaf refers to a page in a book, another definition of the word. And that's English in a Minute.